Okay, so these are my big Ken Griffey Jr. baseball cards. These are really good collectibles because they're really hard to find. And it's got like it shows like his greatest moments in baseball basically. And they're really cool because I think there's one of him robbing a home run. But there are some repeats. My friend actually found another box. Okay, so there's a repeat. I think that's when he hit a home run. So yeah, these are. Oh, that's him with his dad. This was actually when they both played on the same team. So it was actually pretty cool because it was the first time ever, and I think the only time ever, a dad and a son played on the same team at the same time. So those are my Ken Griffey Jr. memorable moment home runs from the Seattle Mariners.